According to the Cover Up News, Coach Ntseki has been struggling to deliver results since taking over from Arthur Zwane before the start of the season. Amakhosi fans on social media have demanded that the club should either appoint Nazarene Nabi or Manqoba Mnqithi as the new coach or stick to Ntseki. They believe that Nabi or Mnqithi would be better options than Ntseki, who has failed to impress since taking over from Zwane. They argue that Ntseki lacks experience, vision, and charisma, and that he is not respected by the players or the fans. The fans also claim that Nabi or Mnqithi have proven themselves as successful coaches who can bring a winning mentality and positive identity to Kaizer Chiefs. The fans say that they do not want any other coach besides Nabi or Mnqobi, and that they would rather keep Ntseki than settle for a mediocre replacement. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.